Assalamualaikum, Hazur.
अच्छा,
With your permission, can I express my feelings of being in this presence?
are you poet?
When we see Hazur on MTA every week for Friday sermon, it is a spiritually uplifting experience. But being in Hazur's presence the last few days is a spiritually rejuvenating experience beyond words cannot describe it. The sitting 12 feet away from Hazur, it gives my heart joy and happiness. My love for Khilafat is very strong, and I wish to express that I love you very much, Hazur.
Jazakallah.
I wish I could.
And your measuring capability is very good. So, so you have just measured, it's 12 feet. Is it 12 feet?
Could be 15.
Where are you staying here? तो फजर की नमाज पे तो नहीं आ सकते होगे?
No, we were able to come this morning. They gave us transportation this morning. But
आज आ गए थे और खाना यहीं खा लेते हो?
yes,
खाना is okay?
very good. It was
अच्छा?
one. Brusa was saying it was like a five-star.
लंगर खाना people are looking after you well.
Alhamdulillah.
कोई अभी तक पेट खराब तो नहीं हुआ किसी का?
No, not mine.
अल्लाह करे ना हो. And if you have any comment on लंगर खाना food, any negative comment, then endorse it. हाँ? ठीक है? तो इम्प्रूव करें ना, इम्प्रूवमेंट इसी तरह होती है ना, जो हमारी कमज़ोरियाँ कमियाँ सामने आ जाएं, then we can know that how to improve. अगर हर कोई तारीफ़ करता रहे, झूठी झूठी तारीफ़ है, then you cannot improve yourself. हाँ? इसलिए नेगेटिव कमेंट को भी बहुत बर्दाश्त करना चाहिए, राइट?